Hi everybody, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I am bringing you an unboxing from Spellbinders, and very anxious to show you. It's just a small order. Everything that I bought was on either sale or clearance, so I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. Before I get into it, I want to let everybody know that I'm going to be doing a giveaway real soon. I want to hit the 1,100 mark, and the reason for that is I appreciate all of you that have subscribed to me. However, I keep going between. I've hit 1,000 a couple times, but it keeps going up and down and up and down. I can't stay at 1,000. And partly it is because of my fault. I had been sick for like almost 2 months, and then I lost my sister in the end of April, which was very hard on me. Still is. Trying to get up and over it, and I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So I just want to let everybody know I'm doing a first and second place prize. I'll be letting you know more information in future videos. So share the word that I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. And I need subscribers, as many as you can bring to my channel. I so would appreciate it, everyone. Alright, without further ado, we're going to get into Spellbinders. Now, I did open it already and started it. And I'm going to tell you how much I paid for these great items. Now, this one is a Spellbinder brand cut and embossed one pass. It's an embossing folder, and it has die cuts right into the embossing folder. And I'm going to show you, because I already did one out of this particular, because I wanted to show everybody how it works. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I haven't embossed it yet, but I did do the cutting. That's great. And I paid only, it was $3.60 for this, and it's beautiful. You'll find out here in a few minutes. And then this one, which is Spellbinders snowflake toppers and borders, right here. Beautiful. I don't see snowflakes on there. Here's the back, a picture of it. I don't know if you can see it okay, but it's very beautiful. And I also did a sample of that so you can see. I didn't do this one. I just did this one for now to show everybody what they look like. Beautiful. Even something this long will fit through a smaller cutting machine because it's not that wide. So it's amazing how many dies that you can purchase that you can use in a smaller machine. That's what I had to begin with. It was a smaller machine. So here's this that I bought for myself, and then there's the contour steel wool die. It's very thick, like this thick. And you can cut more than one at a time. This is for tags, two different styles. This style right here, and this style. And like I said, you can cut, oh, it also cuts through so many things. Matter of fact, let's show you. This is the plate. The only problem with these plates is they're thick. So you have to have a lot of room to keep them. But if you only want to use a few for certain things like tags, if you're trying to make quite a few of them, this is the way to go. So what I have, this one says, it cuts through cotton, burlap, leather, wool, and denim. And that's the fabrics. And balsa wood, grunge board, thin acrylic plastic, cork, and magnet sheets. And foil and craft and aluminum foil and tin and craft metals. And of course cardstock, newspaper, chipboard, wallpaper, and vellum. So this is excellent for cutting. And for cardstock, of course, you can do more than just one layer. You can cut multiples at a time. And this is it's called the Contour Steel Wool. This one I got for $6.60. And then These two things were so cute. This is just a paper clips for the holiday for $1.79 each. I got the Christmas ones and the Halloween ones right here. Super cute. And then the last but not least, I got two of these because one was for me and one's going to be for the giveaway. And this is adorable. I've got to show you. I did make one of these as well. This is a little bird cage that you can make 3D. However you want to make it, you can use it that way. And like I said, one of those. These were only $3 each. Yep, $3 each. So, I mean, very honestly, with everything that I got, with shipping and everything, I only spent $30. That's a great deal. Let me show you now what I made with these. The bird cage is right here. Look at this adorable bird cage. It is so cute. There's the door. I made it 3D. I put you can see there's space in between. Yeah. And the back, in case you want to just hang it and you don't want it to go on a card or something, you can make a plate for the back too. However, this is just so cute. I love it. It's so cute to have a little birdie in the cage and it's 3D like that. So I thought someone else might like to, and it fits fine in one of the smaller cutting machines. This is, and any machine actually will work. It's so adorable. I love it. So there's the little birdie Spellbinder Shape Abilities Die Delights right here. And the Spellbinder Contour Steel Roll Die that you can make multiple ones of. I made one pass and I did, let's see, where are you? Right here. These four. I use cardstock. This is cardstock from one of my pads, paper pads. And I did 4 at one time with one pass. So you can do multiple at one time. So that is such a time saver if you want to make cards. You can adjust the back, decorate the back, however you want to do them. Anyway, you've got 4 cards at one time, or tags, which is great. I love that. And then here, with the embossing folder, I wanted to show you how that works out. So I just did it on this eggshell color here. I don't know if you can see it, but here it is. Let's see if I can get that up there so you can see it. Here's the embossing right there. And then these right here, here, and there are the die cut part of it. I just haven't embossed it yet. Actually, when I do, it will be my first time embossing. I can't wait to try. But I wanted to show you how pretty this one was. I hope you can see it. It's very pretty. Even comes through to the other side. Super, super pretty. So that was the embossing folder that I paid $3 for. And now this one, like I said, this is gorgeous. It cuts out beautifully, one swipe. And I only made the one side for now, but I wanted to show you. I put it right on a red background so you can see how pretty it is. Is that not gorgeous? It's just so pretty. So you can make cards, all kinds of things. You could even use this for your envelope topper or even a bag topper. They're just so cute. So that's the inside too. So that's pretty much everything I got from Spellbinders, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share, and thank you so much everyone for subscribing to my channel. Please share and let everybody know that I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 1100. Thank you for joining me, everyone. God bless. Stay safe, please, out there, and be happy.